Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on some Advanblack products. Again, I bought these myself. I am not sponsored in any way. I just saw them online and thought they were pretty cool. As you can tell, I already did the top box here on my tour pack. All right, came out pretty nice. I chose to go with the blue stitching, but they come in a variety of colors. Just gives it the little flair that we all like. All right, now I got the bottom of the tour pack here. And I kind of already started it for you. I also got them for the saddlebags, and we'll go through that together. I just kind of wanted to fine tune and see how I liked it. They give you tons of Velcro. They give you a huge roll to kind of go through. No issues. Just makes life a whole lot easier. All right. So all I did really is just lay down the Velcro in different places, or where I thought it was gonna be needed, and we'll just stick it right in there. So let me get the camera set up on the tripod, and we'll install it. All right, guys, we're back. All right, this is, again, I went with that blue stitching. Look how nice that is. They're about $179 on the Advanblack website. It comes with the top and the bottom here. They come all folded all nicely. If you stick it in the dryer for about a minute, it comes out all nice and flattens out. And all we're gonna do is, once you get your Velcro settled in, all I did is I just started working it in nice, making sure that I covered all my spots. And you can kind of adjust where needed. I found that the first time I did this, there was some spots that weren't covered and they were kind of poofed out, so I added Velcro where needed. Again, I'm not an expert here, so bear with me. Now I have the pods here for the tour pack. They make them with, they pre-cut this. They also make ones that are, if you don't have the pods, they make them without the pre-cut as well. And then, as you can tell, you just push down. Push down over everything. Make sure it's all Velcroed in. Again, if you don't like something, you can always adjust. Bam. There we go. I like it a lot. Came out really good. I'll flatten out as I get it. Put stuff in there, hold it in. Found a little space that I need to push down on. See? It's all about the adjusting. No. And that came out pretty good. Advanblack. I mean, even the top, you guys want to take a look at the top? I just unscrewed that, put it on, put it back in there. Top's in there nice and tight. Came out really good. All in all, I'm pretty happy with it. All right, next, I'll get it set up. We'll start working on the saddlebags. Saddlebags. So this is kind of what I was talking about. Saddlebags came with a roll of Velcro. All you need is like some scissors or a knife, something to cut it. They come in folded like this. If that bothers you, all you got to do is stick it in the your dryer for about a minute, and it'll be nice and poofy. All right, but here's your saddlebag ones. Pretty nice, pre-drilled with the holes for the things. Let's get started. All right, we're back. Sorry guys, had to set up, had to move the tripod. One thing I want to show you before we start is, if you noticed, I've got these flat pieces. One thing I don't like about Harleys is they always, the little screw bolts that go into the chassis, they're big, they're bulky, they get in the way. Again, I'm not sponsored, but this company, I don't know if you can see that. There we go. This company, Rick Rack, R-I-C-K-R-A-K, they make these, rickrack.com, and they're flat. If you can't tell, they're flat, right? So they actually take up less space. I'll show you. You look, completely flat against there. Way better product. I love them, have no issues. And they come in sets of 4, so I got one on each side. But let's get back to what we were doing. So, we gotta open up our Velcro. And all we're gonna do is essentially just run our Velcro along where we want, right? Sorry guys. Come with this like tape crap on it. So one piece, just be careful. And all I'm doing is just running this tape where I want it. Cutting where I need to. Just coming back to the other side, maybe running it underneath. I don't know if you can see or if I'm in the way. I'm probably in the way. Apologize for that. I'll show you guys closer in a minute. Just running it across. Trying to get in every nook and cranny as I possibly can. Keep in mind, I am not a professional here. Just so I kind of use it also on a little tip. I kind of use it sparingly at first, and then as I
hey, your boyfriend's here.
okay. Kind of use it sparingly as needed, and then as I find that I need more, I'll add more.
Oh my God, it's so nice in here.
Hey, buddy.
I expected it to be colder. Oh shit! Hi.
Say hi to Ron, everybody. Hold on.
And Cayman Jack now makes a sugar-free margarita in a can. Pure deliciousness. All the same flavor, zero sugar. Try it out. Cayman Jack's.
It's my buddy Ron.
You like that plug?
I do. All right, everybody, we're back. Show you the final result. How nice that is. Got the rickrack knobs in there, both sides. Here's the tour pack, top and bottom. Let's go over to the passenger side. Again, got the rickrack knobs in there, nice. One thing I forgot to mention, it even has a little pocket. You know, put in some parts, put in your insurance, registration. Came out really nice. As always, I'm Aaron, Sin City Projects and Outdoors. Subscribe. Everything will be in the description below. Thank you.